Did you know that cloves, a commonly used spice, pack a punch of health benefits? From the everyday kitchen to the heart of traditional medicine, cloves are a powerhouse of health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, they combat oxidative stress. They also contain eugenol, a compound that eases inflammation, and are a secret weapon for oral health. Cloves even aid digestion, offer natural pain relief, support respiratory health, and may help regulate blood sugar. Plus, they boost immunity, beautify skin, and some even consider them an aphrodisiac. Let's dive into each of these benefits to understand how cloves can spice up your life and health. First on our list is the antioxidant boost. Cloves are a treasure trove of antioxidants, powerful substances that shield our bodies from oxidative stress and damage. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, rogue molecules that pose a threat to our health. Next is the anti-inflammatory benefit. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So whether you're dealing with arthritis or just general soreness, cloves can lend a helping hand. Let's talk oral health. Cloves have been traditionally used for oral hygiene, fighting against oral bacteria and promoting dental health. They're like a mini dental clinic in your pantry. On to the digestive benefits. Cloves are known to stimulate enzymes aiding in digestion and reducing bloating. They're like a gentle nudge to your digestive system, helping it along its way. Speaking of relief, did you know that cloves can offer natural pain relief? Clove oil, in particular, is a natural remedy for toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain. It's like nature's own little medicine cabinet. Cloves also support respiratory health. They've been used for coughs and congestion, helping to loosen phlegm and clear the airways. Think of them as a natural decongestant. Next up, blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that cloves may help balance blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. They might just be a sweet addition to your diet. Let's not forget the immune boost. Thanks to their antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, cloves can help strengthen your immunity. It's like adding an extra layer of defense to your body. Skin benefits, anyone? Cloves are known to treat acne, reduce blemishes, and promote clearer skin. They're like a little spa treatment right in your kitchen. Lastly, cloves are considered an aphrodisiac in some cultures, stimulating the senses and adding a little spice to life. With all these benefits, it's clear that cloves are more than just a flavor enhancer. Now that you're aware of the health benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate cloves into your routine. Start by adding whole cloves to your favorite dishes, or use ground cloves to add a warm, sweet flavor to your baked goods. Topically applied clove oil can offer pain relief and promote healthy skin. For a soothing experience, try brewing a cup of clove tea. Remember, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before using cloves medicinally. So, are you ready to spice up your life and health with cloves?